For over 30 years, you had a job title, a full schedule, and people who depended on your decisions every single day. Then retirement came. And within months, something quiet started happening. The world stopped asking for your opinion. You went from being the person everyone relied on to feeling like you disappeared. And your brain didn't know how to handle the silence. You're not imagining it. Research shows nearly 1 in 3 retirees experience depression. But it's usually not because they missed the job itself. It's because retirement often takes away 4 things at once: your identity, your purpose, your daily structure, and the respect you spent decades earning. When all 4 disappear together, your brain doesn't see it as a vacation. It sees it as a loss. Most men try to fill the gap with golf, television, or projects around the house. Those things can be enjoyable, but they rarely replace the sense of meaning that work once provided. Research also shows that retirees who stay socially connected and maintain a daily routine have better mental health and greater life satisfaction. Purpose doesn't disappear when your career ends. It simply needs a new direction. That's exactly why I created the Second Half Purpose Blueprint, a simple 10-page guide made specifically for men over 50. Inside, you'll find a short identity audit to uncover where your motivation is slipping, a daily structured protocol to bring purpose back into your mornings, and practical steps to rebuild meaningful friendships while creating a legacy your family will remember. You spent decades building a life for everyone else. Now it's time to build the most meaningful chapter of your own. The link is in the pinned comment below.